expressions. Algebraic expressions are like numerical expressions in that they don't have an equal sign, but they also have variables or letters that represent numbers. In expressions, it's going to be any number. But we'll talk about equations where we solve for it. For expressions, we don't want to figure out what the variable is. Let's start with 2 more than a number. As remember from the last video, that means 2 plus. I could pick any letter I want, so let me pick X, just because. Really, you could pick any letter you want. 2 less than a number. As remember from last time, we're going to pick our variable first. Let me use y. 2 less than y is y minus 2. Whatever y is, it's minus 2. In this case, x and y, they might be the same thing, they might not be. This is just to show different problems. Either way, 2 more than the product of 3 and a number. Let me start with 3 and a number. Product means times. So we're going to do 3 times, let's do z. I can do this. Problem. Is this an x or is this a multiplication sign? There's 3 ways to do it. Number 1, I'm going to do insert equation. We're going to do 3, and there's a little thing here. Here it is. Looks like a belly button. We can do 3 times z like this. Or, number 2, leave it out, 3z. That means 3 times z. And the third way is parentheses, 3z. They all work. I'm just going to do 3z, just because that way looks the neatest. 2 more then. So that's going to be 2 plus 3z. Order of operations means we do 3 times z first, then we add 2, whatever z is. Next, the product of 2 and the sum of 3 and a number. So here, it's 3 plus, let me use d, 3 plus d. Since I want to add 3 plus d first, I'm going to put it in parentheses. Easy as that. The product of 2 and the sum of 3 and a number. So here again, I could use the parentheses. There's a ghost multiplication sign here. I could do without the parentheses. Ghost multiplication sign, or 3. Let me just put that thing that looks like a belly button right there. 2 times 3 plus d. Reese had B chocolate bars. He gave each friend 3/4 of a chocolate bar. That's a division problem. So I'm going to write an equation here. I'm going to do B divided by, and I'm going to make a fraction here, 3/4. Whatever B is, I'm dividing it by 3/4. I don't need to evaluate when I have something like this. All I need to do is write it.